today's industrial environment, success isn't just about having the right software, the right hardware, or the right people. It's about getting all three to work together seamlessly. That's where ThinManager comes in. Think of ThinManager as the conductor of your industrial orchestra, bringing together your applications, devices, and workforce into one synchronized system designed to maximize productivity, strengthen security, and simplify operations. Manufacturing facilities often rely on dozens of software applications: HMIs, SCADA systems, MES platforms, maintenance systems, ERP solutions, web applications, cameras, reports, and more. The challenge isn't just managing these systems, it's making them work together in a way that gives operators and decision makers the information they need exactly when and where they need it. ThinManager solves that challenge through centralized management and powerful visualization capabilities. With ThinManager, disparate applications can be combined and displayed together on a single pane of glass. Instead of forcing users to switch between multiple screens, devices, or software platforms, ThinManager allows critical information from across your operation to be visualized in one unified workspace. Operators can see the complete picture, make faster decisions, and respond more effectively to changing conditions. But visualization is only part of the story. ThinManager orchestrates the delivery of applications and content across your entire operation. Whether users are working from thin clients, PCs, mobile devices, control rooms, or production lines, ThinManager ensures the right information reaches the right person at the right time in the right location. At the same time, ThinManager helps strengthen security by centralizing control of devices, users, and application access. Instead of managing countless endpoints individually, organizations can manage and secure their environment from a single platform, reducing risks while simplifying administration. And as your operation grows, ThinManager grows with you. Its scalable architecture supports facilities of virtually any size, from a single production line to global multi-site enterprises. New users, applications, devices, and locations can be added without increasing complexity, giving organizations a future-ready platform that adapts as business needs evolve. The result is a smarter, more connected enterprise. Greater productivity, enhanced security, simplified management, and a powerful visualization platform capable of bringing together the software, hardware, and people that drive your business. ThinManager doesn't just manage your industrial environment, it orchestrates it.